और हिंदुस्तान में ना एक बहुत ही खतरनाक वाला स्टीरियोटाइप है कि जो आदमी लोग हैं ना वो बहुत अच्छा सेव करते हैं, वो घर चलाते हैं, और जो लेडीज है ना वो क्या करते हैं कि वो दे हैव बीन ट्रेन्ड टू ऑलवेज टेक केयर। या तो वो बच्चों का ख्याल रखेंगी, या तो पेट्स का ख्याल रखेंगी, या तो अपने हस्बैंड का ख्याल रखेंगी। बट उन्हें, जबकि हमें पता है कि सबसे ज्यादा अच्छे से वही सेव करती है, आदमियों से भी ज्यादा अच्छे से। तो आज उस स्टीरियोटाइप को मतलब एक बहुत ही प्यारी बुक के जरिए तोड़ा गया है। और आई थिंक देयर कुड नॉट बी अ बेटर पर्सन टू डील विद दिस, जिन्होंने इस स्टीरियोटाइप को आई थिंक पिछले 30 साल से तोड़ते आ रही हैं। हजारों लाखों फीमेल्स को इन इंडिया एंड अब्रॉड इन्होंने एम्पावर किया है। इस किताब का नाम है बी फाइनेंशियली स्मार्ट बाय नीता मेनेसिस। आज वो हमारे साथ लाइव इस स्टूडियो में है, हमारे इस पॉडकास्ट में। लव टू हैव यू नीता। सबसे पहले आई मीन,
Thank you so much.
दिस बुक दैट यू हैव रिटन, मेरे को इतना कुछ पूछना है ना इसके बारे में, बट द फर्स्ट थिंग फर्स्ट, 3 decades you have been into finance sector, and सबसे बड़ा challenge as a woman when you entered this sector.
The biggest challenge when I realized when I started on my own was we all knew at home how to save money. My mom was an awesome saver. I thought my dad was an accountant and so he knew everything about money. So I safely thought, being a science student, that I don't need to know about money.
Okay.
So the biggest challenge was saving was there, but how to make your money grow. Financial literacy बिल्कुल नहीं था. And that's when I thought कि I need to understand what is this important thing called money.
नीता, सबसे पहला लेसन जो लाइफ ने आपको सिखाया about money वो क्या?
Absolutely. That's the real thing which actually changed my career path. So I started off at an early age, like I was telling you, Rahul. And I had saved a lot of money. It was in the bank. And my dad was about to retire when I was in my 12th standard. And he said, there's this wonderful scheme जिसमें आपको 20% के ऊपर रिटर्न्स मिलने वाले हैं, पोस्ट डेटेड चेक्स, और एक गिफ्ट भी है. He said there was a hair dryer. And in the 1990s, you know, at that time, a hair dryer was like, wow, I wanted that possession. And I said, yes, I will invest my money. My dad invested his retirement money as well. And 1 साल के पोस्ट डेटेड चेक्स हाथ में आए, हेयर ड्रायर आया, येलो कलर हेयर ड्रायर, आज भी मुझे वो याद है. एंड आफ्टर 2 months, द फर्स्ट मंथ आई वेंट, आई पुट द चेक एंड कैश द पोस्ट डेटेड इंटरेस्ट चेक, एज यू से. 20,000 रुपये डाले थे तभी. द फर्स्ट चेक गॉट एनकैश्ड. आई वॉज वेरी हैप्पी. हेयर ड्रायर भी अच्छा चल रहा था. सेकेंड चेक ऑल्सो गॉट एनकैश्ड. तीसरा चेक जो था बाउंस हो गया. आई वेटेड, आई आस्क्ड माय डैड. ही सेड नहीं, देयर कुड बी सम प्रॉब्लम. Fourth check bounced again. That's when I got a little worried. I said, what's happened to my money? When I asked my dad, he said, मैंने तुमसे 3 गुना ज़्यादा डाल दिया है. मेरा पैसा भी, मेरा check, my checks are also getting bounced. So he said, don't tell me, I'm just trying to find out. And that's when I actually cried and I told him, Dad, it's my hard-earned money. He said, so is it mine. And I said, I realized after that it was in the news. This was a scheme at that point of time. I can name the scheme as well. It was a corporate deposit called CRB Bhansali scheme, in which a lot of people lost their money. There were retirees who put in their hard-earned money in that scheme, got huge incentives in the form of gifts. बाकी वो hair dryer जैसा मेरे पास रहा, उनका gift रहा, लेकिन all the checks bounced, capital lost. There were people who borrowed money and invested in the scheme, and they all lost it. That's when I said, money is very important, but I need to figure out this crazy thing, but very important thing called money. And I decided to understand more about it. That taught me a lesson. And from being a doctor, I always wanted to be a doctor. I decided to change my trajectory and move to financial literacy, understand finance. I got a job immediately in insurance. And then I started studying more about this entire path, which has been the last few decades that I've been into this, and I've been advising and talking to clients about this. So that was the thing which actually changed my career path, and I'm so glad, because a lot of my surgeon clients later on told me, thank God, Neeta, you didn't become a medical doctor, you are a financial doctor.